Hello Data Impulse community! Today we will clarify how to configure proxies on your Android device. Mobile devices are easy to carry, yet then can perform many functions. Unsurprisingly, their popularity has risen and almost half all the internet traffic today comes from mobile devices. However, problems like security threats or geo-based limitation are still here. Fortunately, you can use proxies on your Android devices without installing additional apps. First, let's see how to configure proxies when you use a mobile network. Start by opening Settings and go into the Connections section. From here, navigate to Mobile Networks and to Access Point Names. Tap on the one you are currently using and enter proxy. Its hostname on your Data Impulse dashboard, port, username, and password. You can copy all of that from your dashboard. Note that you can utilize HTTP protocol only when you use a mobile network. Now tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and choose Save. To finish the process, turn the connection off and then on again. Open your browser, enter your credentials again and press the Sign In button. That's it. Now it's time to see how to set up proxies for Wi-Fi network. First, switch to your Data Impulse dashboard and go to the Manage Whitelist IPs part. Use the Detect My IP feature and click the Add New IP button. You need to do it so all the traffic from your Android device, including app traffic, will be directed via a proxy server. Then go to the Settings section, choose Connections, and then Wi-Fi. Tap on the gear icon associated with your network. Depending on your device, press three vertical dots in the screen's top right corner and navigate to Advanced Settings, or press View More and scroll down to Proxy. Tap on it, select the manual option and enter the hostname and port number. Note that it may take several seconds for a system to update. If you try to configure proxies and go online immediately after whitelisting your IP, you may still see a form requesting you to enter your login and password. All you have to do is to reject it. Again, you are limited to an HTTP connection with a Wi-Fi network. If you need particular websites to ignore your proxy settings, use the Bypass Proxy for option. After this tutorial, configuring proxy settings on your Android device will be a piece of cake. Remember to like this video and thank you in advance. It's so important for us. See you in the next video.